Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook is temporarily blocked. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, all you have to do is to get out of Facebook if you are already on it, and make sure to exit the application. Now, from here you can either long press Facebook and then go to app information, or you can go to the settings by doing that, scroll down, and then click on the settings icon. And then from here, you're going to go to apps. And then from apps, you're going to go to Facebook. And now from here, you're going to make sure that you click on force stop. Once you do that, then you're going to go down and click on storage and cache. From here, you're going to click on clear storage and then clear the cache. Once you clear both of them fully, then you're going to exit the settings. And now from here, you're going to search for either the App Store or the Play Store, whatever is on your device. And then you're going to search for Facebook. Once you go on Facebook, then you're going to click on it. Where the button that says open in the blue side, if it says update, then make sure to click on update to be sure that you are on the latest version working smoothly. And once that is done, then you're going to open the application and then re-log in with your information details, and that should solve the issue. Also, make sure that you are connected to a true connection such as Wi-Fi in case your 3G is disconnected, or you can switch between them until you have a more stable network. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.